it once again.
Today we are learning tips to learn trigonometric formulas. In trigonometric lesson, so many formulas are there. How to remember that formula easily? I will tell you the shortcut method. Now draw the lines like that. 1, 2 and 3. Then join the edges, join the corners. Okay. So here you write sine theta in this vertices. Here you write cos theta, and here you write tan theta, and sine theta opposite vertices you can write cosecant theta. Cos theta opposite vertices you can write secant theta, and tan theta opposite vertices you can write cot theta. Sine theta, already we know very well, sine theta equal to opposite divide by hypotenuse. Sine theta, the opposite side is we consider cosecant theta, so sine theta reciprocal we can consider as cosecant theta. Hypotenuse divide by opposite. Next we can go to the cos theta. Cos theta we know very well, adjacent divide by hypotenuse. Cos theta reciprocal is secant theta, so secant theta equal to hypotenuse divide by adjacent. Next we can consider tan theta. Tan theta you tan theta you have to consider like that. Tan theta if you need na, sin theta you are dividing by cos theta. Cot theta you need na, you have to consider like that. Cot theta you need na, sin theta divide cos theta divide by sin theta. So tan sin theta equal to tan theta equal to sin theta divide by cos theta. So is both you are dividing na, you get opposite divide by adjacent. Similarly, cot theta, tan theta reciprocal is cot theta. So cot theta you need na, adjacent divide by opposite. If you memory this diagram na, you can write easily these formulas. Then next one is complementary angles. Complementary angles formula. Okay. Sine of 90 minus theta is equal to sine of 90 minus theta. Complementary angle you have to consider like that. Sine of 90 minus theta means you have to consider like that. Sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta. Then cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta. So in this diagram you consider sine of 90 minus theta you get cos theta, cos of 90 minus theta you get sin theta, tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta, cot of 90 minus theta is tan theta, secant of 90 minus theta is cosecant theta, cosecant of 90 minus theta is secant theta. Tan of 90 minus theta you get cot theta. Again cot of 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. The next one, secant of 90 minus theta equal to cosecant theta, and cosecant of 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta. So sleeping line, horizontal line if you consider na, you can write this formula, complementary formula using this diagram easily. The next one is very important topic, trigonometric identities. So totally trigonometric identities, in this diagram you have to shade the part like that. 3 parts you have to share. So in the middle you have to consider as 1. In middle you have to consider as 1. Now listen, sin square theta plus cos square theta. So you can draw the diagram like that, easily you will understand. Start here and end here and you will receive here. Arrow mark you can draw like that. Again start here, end, again like that you can draw. Start and end, again like that. So sin cos you get 1, tan 1 you get secant, 1 cot you get cosecant. So easily we can memorize the formula. I will write, listen. Sin means we can write sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. It is the first trigonometric identity formula. We can remember easily. See here sin and here cos, here middle 1. You draw the arrow diagram like that na. Sin square theta plus cos square theta you get 1. The second trigonometric formula, tan square theta plus 1 you get secant square theta. Here 1 plus cot square theta you get cosecant square theta. So second formula, tan square theta plus 1 equal to secant square theta. Third one, cot square theta plus 1 equal to cosecant square theta. So this three trigonometric table we need to prove the exercise 8.4 sums. So using this tricks we can learn all the formulas. We can memorize only one diagram. If you understand this diagram now, we can remember all the formulas easily. Hope you will understand well. You can take a classwork note or any rough note. You can write and practice well and you will get easily.